he wanted me to drop the link. You cool with that?
Man, fuck that nigga.
I'm
not
right,
for what I got. What for? What?
Turn it's his interview, bro.
Nigga told me he want all the smoke. Check this fucking shit out.
I'm not gonna be working with people like what's that the guy's name to be hating so bad? That boy been hating on me for a minute.
My brother, your brother Turtle Gang doing phenomenal things behind the lens. You understand? Crafting a new vision of a new paradigm. You understand me?
Yes, indeed. Ain't gonna do it. I don't even know who it is, but don't even just fuck them niggas. Fuck them niggas. Fuck the nigga, whoever.
Yeah.
You know
he just be, and and that's why I was trying to tell Tasha I was like, cause she was trying to get me to work with cuz, and I'm like, nah, he just not up to par. To me, he not up to par. He's still a Pan-African low key. To me. Turtle Gang.
We ain't gonna get no energy there.
Yeah, him and his buddy. Both of them Pan-Africans for real. They claiming that they Indian, but they Pan-African.
Yeah, we ain't gonna get no energy to that.
Oh, that the fuck serious. Nah, hold up though, bro. Hold up though. That the fuck.
There you go. You been hating on me since day one, homie. You been hating on me since day one. Like, you begged to get my attention all the time. People didn't told me that you mentioned my name for no reason.
You smoke crack, don't you?
I mentioned your name.
Look at me, boy.
No
don't you smoke crack?
Sort of like how you just mentioned my name for no reason.
Yes,
sort of like how you just brought my name up in your interview for no reason. No one mentioned my name.
Yes, sir.
You brought it up. So you're accusing me of doing what you just did.
Yes, sir.
I guarantee you, if you look deeper, everything else he's accusing me of, he's actually done himself.
And you got the nerve to say something about me in that video when it's supposed to be all your interview. I think it was that nigga Rich that you was talking about.
I've heard, I think I heard the brother Dan Calloway, and I'm looking forward to getting him on my show to have a talk with him soon. Shout out to him. I heard, I believe, I don't want to misquote him, but I believe I heard him say in an article that the story of Africans getting shipped over here, what happened was actually the natives over here got shipped to Africa. Have you heard anything?
All right, so check this out. Like, people is sensationalizing things, and they blowing it way out of, to see people is so, we've been lied to about everything, right? That now when we start to get a little bit of the truth, we got to turn it into this grandiose, you know what I mean, way out there shit. Now,
and don't quote me on him saying it. I think the brother said that.
No, I've heard a lot of what he has said and what a lot of
other people
said.
Yeah.
And I can tell when people are reading from books and sensationalizing as opposed to when they have been guided by elders and have some historical connection to the shit they talking about.
That's why I was like, let me let that shit die down first before I hop up on it. So when I hop up on there, you're going to see it's a totally different, I'm talking about totally different personality. Some real shit pop up on there.
No, what exactly have you found out about Harriet Tubman that you can share with my channel today?
They're not playing. I gathered records to verify that she is a fictional character. Not
Harriet Tubman's brother, Robert Rouse, had two sons, John Rouse Jr., who was indentured servants. So you had Thomas Hathaway and his wife Sarah. When the state of America outlawed slavery, confirmed that the Harriet family were indentured, not chattel slaves.
Harriet Tubman was born into chattel slavery, not indentured servitude, in Dorchester County, Alabama, 1820. Okay.
And Amarita Rouse, that's the name. So they call it Minty because the name is Araminta Rouse. Now Araminta, in the source, right here, Harriet Tubman was born Araminta Rouse, Liberia Country, 1868, and it reads, she escaped slavery but returned 13 times to rescue who? Family and friends, not all slaves. Yeah, so she only rescued less than 30 people, maybe 14, less than 20 people. And that's coming from the Library of Congress. And I'm trying to figure out what these big scholars that out here, you know, how y'all missing this when the information is good.
Pseudos, they can't stay in the room together because they pseudo history don't align because none of these people know what they're talking about. It's all subjective to them. Don't you understand? History is subjective to these people. They think they can make up whatever they want. Hey, you're losing to your underling. You've been off the scene too long, man. You got to talk more.
That's why I was like, let me let that shit die down first before I hop up on it. So when I hop up on there, you're going to see it's a totally different, I'm talking about totally different personality. Some real shit pop up on there. Nah, I'm not going to relax. I'm going to call these haters out for who they are. Like, suckers. Like, straight suckers. Just because you can't do what I'm doing, that's not my fault, homeboy. Get over it.
So you can see for yourself, when Rich brought his name up, asked the question, I did not resort to ad hominems and insult him. Now, you notice I said and others. The and others was because I'm not just ain't nobody focused on him. It ain't just him saying it. It's other people saying stuff that's not true as well. What are you talking about? I was turtle when you was Pan-African.
I want to say 2015 or something like that. It was either 2014 or 15. That's when my grandfather like schooled me because he saw I was off that African type of stuff. And he was like, what are you doing? You know what I'm saying? And he started taking me to reservations and showing me my family. I want to say 2015 or something like that. It was either 2014 or 15. That's when my grandfather like schooled me because he saw I was off that African type of stuff. And he was like, what are you doing? You know what I'm saying? And he started taking me to reservations and showing me my family. I want to say 2015 or something like that. It was either 2014 or 15.
So your day one was 2014 or 15. That's when your grandfather told you because you was on your African shit. But I'm wondering why your grandmother ain't tell you when you was sitting on her lap. Why she ain't tell you was Indian then, huh? You making me think, nigga. Why she ain't tell you was Indian then?
Why y'all just telling me this now?
So that make me and Roydale and Alberstein, okay, that's one for a second. That same grandmother. They my first cousin. Okay, their cheering would be my second.
What do you mean?
They're cheering to you all, my cheering. That would make you all maybe third.
What do you mean? I want to say 2015 or something like that. It was either 2014 or 15.
I was turtle when you was rapping. I was turtle when you was not thinking about this stuff. I'm the one your grandmother come speak to. Do you understand that?
Why y'all just telling me this now?